My name is Matt Frangiosa, and I'm brother to Toni Frangiosa Narciso, who is the Toni portion of the Toni and Rich Memorial Fund.
And I'm Nicole Nave. I am Rich Nave's wife, the rich part of the Toni and Rich Foundation.
Beginning, I thought renovating a playground in their name within the Norristown area was a good idea. And when Al told me that, well, we're going to have a playground here and we need funding for, we thought that it just was such a sync moment, if you will, that this is what we wanted to do, because Rich and Toni, they love children, they love the community, and Elmwood Park Zoo has been just a staple in the community for 100 years, and it just worked perfectly.